Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi, this is Colin again. Today I'll share a little bit about the psychology of trading. I'll share with you all some principles about psychology, how it can help you in your trading psychology. Okay, the first thing I'll share with you all about trading psychology is the principle of precession. Okay, so why is it important? Okay, so let me share with you this. This is not really an idea originally from me. Okay, I adapted this idea. I learned it from somewhere else. Okay, so the idea is, let's say example, we have this flower. Okay. The flower actually, the goal for the bee, right? When the goal for the bee in life is to look for the flower around. You want to look for flower for what? For nectar. Don't have honey here, okay? You look for nectar. Okay. However, when this bee look for this flower, there is what we call a precession effect. Effect that the bee isn't aware of, but the effect is big. Okay. In this case, while the bee is looking for the flower, he has a precession effect that he doesn't know. Okay, how I know doesn't know? Because I interviewed the bee. He doesn't know. Okay, and what is the effect? The effect is actually pollination of the flowers. Okay, it helps to pollinate the flowers so that in the future, his future generation got more flowers to pollinate. If not, his future generation no more flowers, right? So this is what we call precession effect. Okay, and it's nature. Nature is perfect. Nature, when you do this, this is a result of doing this, and from doing this you get a precession. Okay. However, when it comes to human, because human can make a decision, okay, they can decide what to do, and a lot of times when human go after things, they go after the wrong things. Okay, so when I ask a trader, what is your goal? Okay, most of the traders say, I want to make what? Make money. They think that money is the goal. Money is the nectar over here. Okay. And they are going after this money. What I want to share with you is not like that. Okay, the goal of a trader, right? The goal of a trader at the end of the day is about what? It's about trading. It's about trading wealth. In fact, I always write this on all my books. When they ask me to autograph the books, I always write trade wealth, trade wealth, trade wealth. Why I talk about trading wealth? Because as a result of trading wealth, okay, then what happened? Money becomes the result. Do you follow what I'm saying? Money then becomes the result of trading wealth. So what is trading wealth? Okay, trading wealth is knowing what is your ETT. Okay, ETT and following the process. What is ETT? ETT stands for entry, target, exit, and time frame. Okay, you need to know your ETT and following that process. Following that process of the ETT. Following your plan, following the process of ETT. And this money is the result, is the end result of actually following this. Okay. So guys, focus on the process, focus on trading well, focus on following your ETT, and as a result of doing this, money will come. Money will come. Does it make sense? Okay, that leads me to the second part. Okay, first one is to focus on the process, focus on trading well as a good trader. That's the first part. The second part is to, when you set goals, a lot of people set goals, right? They always set what we call result goals. They set result goals. Let me say, I want to make like a certain amount of money this year. Okay? Do you see? You actually cannot decide how the market moves. It's possible that you don't get the result end of the day. Okay? So what we want to focus on is focus on the process. Okay? Focus on the process. So what is a process? A process can be, example, I want to do and follow 50 ETT trade this year. Okay, so that's your process. Focus on the process, and this is something that you can control. Can you control your plan? Even if you stop loss, it's still following your plan. Okay, so you focus on the process rather than the result. Does it make sense? Okay, so this is the second step. You want to focus on the process rather than the result of the goal. Okay, so I hope that these two tools will help you to improve your trading psychology. There are a lot of other things that I can share with you. Maybe next time when I have more time, I will share with you about how to improve your trading psychology. So see you at the next video. Bye.